Okay, I think that's it for the review. Char, bye. Hi, for today's video, I wanted to share to you good morning. I have a good impression for this Kiehls. Hi Edgar. This is totally toner for men, but I'm using this for myself because I found it for free here in Hong Kong. Here, this one. It's totally for men, but I use it for myself. I think 3 days already. It has bamboo extract in it, but you guys try, boys try. You know why? Because it's really good for your skin. Try this toner. I don't know where to buy this, but I know there is a toner for men, Kiehls toner for men. Maganda po siya. Good for your skin because it has vitamin C. It says here with aqua, glycerin, alcohol. Good thing is it has glycerin, good for dry skin like me because I'm a dry skin type. So it has also salicylic acid, castor oil, caffeine. No wonder it gets rid of dead skin or dry skin because it has salicylic acid. If you have uneven skin, yan no, maganda siya. Try po. I don't know. I think kung meron nata to sa Pilipinas. I think it has. Meron siguro tayo nito sa Pilipinas. Pero sabi dito made in US oh. Kaya naman pala it's made in US. I don't know if we have this in the Philippines. Pero maganda talaga siya. Na-try ko siya 3 days ago kasi ano siya, sample product lang. It's a sample product only. It's made in USA. And it says here, basta guys, I will recommend to you any facial toner as long as with vitamin C in it. Vitamin C or salicylic acid. That's good for your skin. For dry skin also like me. It will get rid of your, uneven skin. Mga sakit sa balat. If you have skin disease. Skin disease, no, dry skin lang. Basta maganda po siya. This is totally for men, but I use it for myself. Kasi when I saw the ingredients, it has vitamin C, salicylic acid, glycerin. Then I said, why not try for myself? Even though it's for men. It's limonene. It has limonene here. I said, why not try for myself? Diba? Try nyo po, Kiehls toner. I am not promoting this product. I'm only reviewing it for you guys in case you wanted to try this type of toner for men. You can also use it for women. Also good for women. All the products that I'm using here, sometimes it's for free. Free of charge. Sometimes I bought it. But I'm loyal to L'Oreal products. L'Oreal toner and Olay cream. Once you clean your face also, you also need to tone your lips. You know why? Lips are very, easily gets dry. So we need to tone them also. To get rid of those dry skin also on your lips. Lips are also very sensitive. Most especially winter, it cracks by itself. Okay, I think that's it for the review. Char, bye!